Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce you to a really awesome tool called Grammarly. This tool can help you no matter what line of business you're in, but it's especially great for us PR, social media, and marketing and communications professionals. Grammarly is an app that you can download on your computer. It's an extension in any browser. It can be used on Mac or PC. It can be used on Safari, Google Chrome, Facebook, Twitter. They now actually have an app that you can use for your text messages, but it is a spelling and grammar checker. It also checks for plagiarism. It also checks for sentence structure. The premium feature even checks to help you make sure your writing is in a cohesive style. So I'd like to show you a little bit of how to use Grammarly. It's super, super simple. So on my screen, I have Grammarly.com pulled up. So I just typed in Grammarly.com and it pulled up this page. This is what you see after creating your Grammarly account. You can see right here that I am logged in. I just have the basic free trial version of Grammarly. There is no ending of your trial period. It is just a free app that you can use. However, you can right here upgrade to premium. But for my needs, the basic version is all that I need. So this is what you see whenever you log in. You have two options from this point. You can either create a new document that you'd like to build in here rather than building it in Microsoft Word, or you can upload a document if, let's say, you type something out in Microsoft Word and then wanted to upload it. So first I'll show you how to upload a new document. You click on New, and then you begin typing. So I'm going to type final paper, and then you can either type or paste your text here. So I'm going to go ahead and begin typing, and I will say, I like their, using the wrong form of their, I like their clothes. You can automatically see an error. So what it does is it underlines in red your error. You can click on it, and then you see this nice little explanation pop up. It says, the word there may be used incorrectly. Review the following notes to determine. So then you can click on it and read some more notes. And then not only do you see what changes they're suggesting, you can also understand why. Then all I can do is click that, and it automatically changes it. So it does this with a variety of grammatical errors, spelling errors, if you do a double word, if you forget an Oxford comma. That's something that some people care a lot about, some people don't. I'll show you an example of that. I like apples, bananas, and peaches. It says I made a mistake of forgetting my Oxford comma. You can either click to add the comma, but let's say I'm one of those people that I don't really care about the Oxford comma. All you have to do is click the X and it gets rid of your changes and never brings it out, or their suggested change, and never mentions it again. So that is how you create a new document. You can also upload documents. So I had uploaded one right here, but I'll just show you. You can click upload and then select any sort of paper that you have. I'll go to our course folder and I'll click on my latest assignment, and then here it is. And what it is at the bottom, you can see where it says checking, and now it's pulled up my errors. I don't want to keep this up too long though to see my errors, but you can see a lot of it is Oxford commas or the missing of something in front. And you can go through and you can select the changes, and then it automatically saves all of your work. However, oh, that's my cat. However, if you want to use it as an extension of your browser, it also works with your email, Facebook, and Twitter. So I'll show you an example in email. Clicking up to my email, I've decided to open a new message. I will send it to myself. My subject line will be example email. Now type, hi, I like their clothes. Oops, it's hard to make errors now. I like their clothes. Are you home? By Allison. Now, let's see. Off the bat, it's found two errors. My there error. Then it realizes that my name should be capitalized. Now, by should be capitalized. It didn't catch that. However, as you can see, it does help make things a lot easier. And then down at the bottom, you see this little green circle indicating that it is finished and your email is ready to go. So that is a little bit about how to use Grammarly. I highly recommend you checking it out. It will definitely save you on a lot of your emails, making them a lot more professional and saving you a few points for grammatical errors in any academic papers that you may have. If you have any questions at all about Grammarly, please feel free to contact me and I'd love to answer them. And the Grammarly website is super easy to navigate and they have an entire blog that answers any questions you could ever have. All right, well, happy grammar!